it is time for us to introduce our So Confident program for 2021. We've been working on this for a while, and in light of this year and the success of Facebook Lives and the fact that I have become a little more comfortable in front of a camera, I guess, in my own studio, so to speak, we decided that next year So Confident is going to take on a whole new, updated, fresh look and be a totally different format than we've really ever done before. So it's going to be project-based. Every month I'm going to sew something, and I'm going to sew with you. I'm going to record a video pointing out all of the highlights of sewing a particular garment. In January, we're talking about the very new pattern that you don't even know about yet, the Maison top. The Maison top has top and pants, the joggers, but we'll start in January making the top. And it's going to be made in a knit, so you're going to learn all those techniques about how to sew on knits and sew the ready-to-wear binding and attaching a hem band and using the cover stitch machine and all of that. So I'll be taking you through the processes of making each one of these garments so that by the end of the year, the end of 2021, you will have made 12 garments if you sew along with me. So there will be a video. At the first of the month, we're going to announce what the pattern is so you have time to get your pattern, pull it out of your resource library, get your pattern prepared, get your fabric, or order a kit that we'll have with it. And then you'll have a couple of weeks before you will get a link from us that will tell you about how to access the actual video class, the video lesson. And then a week after that, you will be able to come in on a live Zoom Q&A session with me to ask questions, show your project, sort out all kinds of issues, talk about whatever you want to talk about, but it will be a live session that will be recorded so that if you can't watch it at the very moment, you can watch it later. We're going to offer this in two ways, either as a monthly option of purchasing it by the month, or you can sign up for the entire year. So if you buy it by the month, it's going to be $45 a month. That's for the online class and the Q&A session. If you sign up by the year, if you have been a So Confident member ever from Series 1 from 2012 through this year, you are going to be able to buy the plan for the whole year for $325. That's in December only. If you've never been a member of So Confident before, your price will be $375 for the year. And then on January 1st, the yearly price goes to $425. With the yearly plan, you get the monthly class, you get the monthly question and answer session, plus you get some additional things. You get the quarterly magazine, which we've been doing by the month in 2020, but this time it'll be quarterly, and it's based on Betsy's fantastic concept called Make This With That, and that will be quarterly. You'll get perpetual 15% discount on fabric and patterns, so that's up from this year's 10%. You'll have access to a private Facebook group and a only sales and giveaway sort of package. And then just last night, Betsy and I were talking about creating a separate Pinterest page for those who have the yearly subscription as well. So we'll be setting that up. And I didn't get that on my list because I did the list yesterday and we talked about it last night. But at any rate, our plan is ready to go. By next Tuesday, I'm going to show you the garments that we're going to make in January and February. I'm still sewing them, so I don't have them quite done. And we're doing the photo shoot on Friday, so I have my own deadline to get it done for Friday. But I know you're going to be really excited about it. The projects are going to be based in such a way that you could order a kit if you choose to, but if you have things in your stash to use as well, that's fine too. So at any rate, that's our program. We're very excited about So Confident 2021. It is our 10th year for this program, which kind of blows my mind, actually. But we've had great success with it over the years, and it's just something that's just part of the heart and soul of the Sewing Workshop.